I always salute give anybody when they throw eye on top of this Ogbonge program as City Hot, on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Remember, I say yesterday, I tell you, I say we don't see any nylon on top of the election special. But you know, say on top of our City Hot, what do they discuss? Now, each way affect you, when affect me, when affect all of us inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. And the one where they reign today, now the issue of the fuel scarcity, when they're inside this our Obodo, Nigeria, different motor and Okada just they line like say they assembly for different filling station, and people they complain say they no see fuel buy. The Oga Patapata of the PDP, what they call Adamu Mwazu, he come out talk say it be like say monkey hand they inside the soup of this fuel scarcity when they see so, and even the person when they talk for the People's Democratic Party presidential campaign organization, that na Femi Fanikayode, he himself come out talk say they know as this matter they go. Say na APC, now then they do the thing make it be say it be like say government know they do their work. On top of our City Hot this morning, we go look this matter where to chop all the meat when they inside, can't leave the pomo, make everybody for Nigeria see inside the matter what they discuss today. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as he take concern the matter as in the heart.
Good morning, correct country people. I know Senago don't miss me. And today I say make I can't do it, make I can't represent my people once again for today's edition of As in the Hot. Chukwudi don't launch the matter, and this one a very, very serious matter. We did very, very sensitive because now laugh at them, they laugh. Because of waiting, because of say, look, fuel where they scarce today. We know what will they generate from them. Who will be the masses, will be Nigerians, who know what will they gain from them. Especially in a situation where power, no they. Anyway, now what we go look into the matter, know where the angle, where the fault they come from, know whether the government photo, or when the opposition photo, as Chukwudi take tender, we will know. So anyway, my name never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now As in the Hot.
Which one be say you know say they don't miss you? Which means who they miss you?
They miss me because
say you come here to come do it. As if they not be your work.
I watched a repeat broadcast of this program yesterday, and I hear just anybody will call. I like as you and Nkubi, where Nkubi. Now just they run around yesterday. What time you said when they talk, no miss me. Let's go on.
Not they tell me say not they,
let's go on. You miss me or you don't miss me. Admit to it. Admit to it, young man.
They do miss.
Admit to it.
Now they bring me into miss matter with you.
Because already, if you don't feel say I don't come today, that's why you don't even sweat. That's the open chest. I've been there because of say fuel no day. I know say you don't find fuel, you no see. You don't even know where you unbutton the top of your shirt. See, Nigerians, can you see? Now show it to you now. See him. You don't sweat. That's why I had to collect fresh air. Fresh air that's about to come.
Fresh air way no
that's about to come. Air way that's already on its way.
Inside this our country.
Fresh air that's already on its way. So just go ahead.
Our people went there for house. Una fit join us on top of this discussion. We do on top of Facebook. Go to the Wazobia fan page. Anywhere where you see our thread, chook mouth on top. We do on top of Twitter too. At TV as City Hot. And we get to website where if you send us email at cityhot@wazobiatv.tv. Remember what I talk first. I don't say we won't discuss this fuel matter. Where we say don't make plenty people. Don't leave waiting that they do. Go they line up for filling station. We won't check everything when they inside to know which people they cause this problem. Nkubi, we know the
Chukwudi, this is not matter of say Nupen go strike. This is not matter of say Pengasin go strike. So Chukwudi, the question now is where the fault come from. I should be asking you.
Thank you very much.
You should be. Now you go supposed to tell where the fault come from.
This scarcity is what we call an artificial scarcity.
Artificial.
That is, it is
for
man-made.
nation where they produce oil or not. Answer.
Thank you very much. Now we get people with the imports.
With the import.
When we take our
you know they even shame to talk say now they import.
Nigeria are the only country when they import. Who be the people who don't build refineries? Now today they begin to build refinery for this country.
Who be the person who even build the refinery in the first place?
You say
the previous refinery where we got when I not agree maintain. Who be the person who build that?
Which refinery?
What you talk?
Which refinery?
Do I know that be that time?
Make I tell
Under
you,
the military era of who?
You say what thing? You see,
This same candidate of change. Now he install refineries then.
Shame go catch you today.
Shame go catch me how?
Shame go catch you today.
Tell me.
I will show Nigerians who you are.
I will show Nigerians who you are.
You go come here, they tell me, say, somebody build refinery. He build refinery. You see, your baby would talk, say, one no more way, hello land writing. Picking no sabi book, when I say handwriting, fine. See, now handwriting one job.
Oh, what has that got to do with me?
You say person build refinery. You don't even get shame to come here on top of television to tell Nigerians.
Yes.
Say, person.
Un agreement tell them or not?
Which agreement?
Yes. Don't be under the same political party.
We don't consider diversification of our economy.
Right now, we don't see lots of issues going wrong.
Which issues
what are we saying?
Which issues will they see? Diversification
the prices
of the economy.
Fuel just increase like say now this thing for country where they produce oil.
You see,
don't they give me that one?
If we know anything, you know, say we don't get different governments for this country, including the person who promotes democratically elected government.
We also build refinery.
Call rulers for 20 years, for 20 months. Now
we also put refinery in place. Admit to that or not?
We get government when we say they know them for corruption.
Yes, PDP now.
Because even after all the military coup will come up, what happened for this country, including when military man pursue military man, he accused them of corruption. We know them, but this government, this present government under Goodluck Jonathan, the transformer,
they corruption free.
The transformer,
they corruption free.
The changer,
the highest corruption level for this country. Not under this government.
Well, that's a fallacious statement. That's a fallacious statement.
You know that,
and you can be sued.
Sue me if you want to sue me.
You can be sued.
Sue me.
And you go come, and
tell me if I will not give you reasons or facts why this government is one of the highest. In fact, the highest.
Not be waiting now for we can discuss.
See, Nigerians,
not be waiting with the discuss.
This is what we are going through right now. Nigerians, take a proper look at this. Fuel in a country that produces oil, in a country where we say power no day, in a country where we say people need power to do it, to run their businesses. And the only means for Nigerians to say, okay, since power no day, now to buy fuel. See, fuel, no even day. And the black market every day. See, the price is there so high to the point that even Nigerians said, no, if you buy them.
This is an artificial scarcity.
Artificial, you need even shame. You need shame to even come out and tell Nigerians.
And we know the people when they're behind them.
Who are the people?
Excuse me. The chain of supply.
Chain of supply how?
Thank you very much.
Tell me, chain of supply how?
Make I ask you this question. NNPC, don't come out. Don't talk, say, we they get the fuel. The vessels then they supply. But the people when we say they supply this product, now then they hold up. And who be this people? Now,
Chukudi, me ask you a question. Make I ask you a question. You want to talk.
Now people will know.
Hold on now. You feel say something talk.
We will expose you.
Chukudi, you said that. You said that us.
God will fight for Nigerians.
Hold on. But this thing has gone nationwide.
Which nationwide?
It has gone nationwide.
Which nationwide?
It has gone nationwide.
Which nationwide?
So everywhere in the state now, in the country, no fuel.
Because your suppliers.
So even in your own state,
because of your suppliers.
Represent. Oh, see,
because of your suppliers.
You're not even ashamed to come out to tell Nigerians and say, see that the opposition they contact.
Because of your suppliers. Make we check
who are the suppliers?
Thank you very much.
Who they run NNPC?
10 Nigerians.
Who they run NNPC? Who they run NNPC?
10 Nigerians.
Don't be government.
10 Nigerians. NNPC don't come out to assure us, say, this thing, now people get on inside. And they always talk about all this show. Some people want sabotage the effort of government.
For NNPC will be, I will talk, say, look, say, in the next 48 hours, say, fuel go do it, but what have we seen?
How many metric they don't release? How many of the vessels?
But what have we seen so far?
How many they don't release?
What have we seen so far?
Because of the artificial scarcity. People want to sabotage the effort of government. Who could be 10 Nigerians? Who could be 10 Nigerians?
Look, I don't have any truth to 10 Nigerians because I don't have anything in my cupboard. I don't get anything for cupboard.
You get so many things for your cupboard.
Nigeria should be asking you people.
You get so many things for your cupboard.
What cause for scarcity?
You get so many things for your cupboard.
What cause
everything when government do, we not go complain.
Why do we have a president in power?
Artificial scarcity.
Why do we have a president in power?
Artificial scarcity.
What are you saying?
This government.
Artificial scarcity.
The government of Goodluck Jonathan. They don't use fuel scarcity to this government.
You know they even
don't use fuel scarcity to this government.
You know they shame to come out. You know they shame to come out tell Nigerians say now artificial scarcity from your own mouth.
Our people when they for us, we go rush go this break. I don't. I don't need, the verse come small.
The verse.
When we go this break, come back, we'll continue this our discussion. You dey bring a gallon.
See
You dey bring a gallon.
Yeah, see.
You dey bring a gallon.
See, empty.
Welcome back to City Hot, the Ogbonge Politic Discussion Show. On top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times, Channel 195. And what we will discuss today now this fuel scarcity matter and how the chairman of PDP, Adamu Mwazu, and the talk person of the People's Democratic Party Presidential Campaign Organization, Fani Kayode, come and talk, say, this fuel scarcity, say, monkey and they inside the soup, because they know and they believe, say, now the opposition get hand inside the matter. And now what we will discuss this morning. Chuku, they could be inside the studio, and we will discuss them as it is hot.
So now the opposition go for every filling station, go tell people they say, men are not sell fuel, men are they hot na fuel. I've been na them be NNPC.
Thank you very much.
Be the people they supply fuel to all these filling stations for this country.
Thank you very much.
Eh?
The same spokesperson of NNPC come and tell us say 688 million liters of fuel. Now they don't supply.
So
why these people no want green? Maybe they distribute them.
Chukudi, are you sure it is not fallacious?
Why is it not? Why is it fallacious?
You never can tell.
NNPC don't give us their record.
You never can tell.
So we give 6. You know what is 688 million?
Why are we not seeing
688
it? Why
million?
we not see it?
Because people are holding it.
Who are these people holding it?
The suppliers that you know.
Who are these suppliers that you know?
You go talk this thing today on top of Nigeria.
Because sometimes they may also make it very clear to you. Because you people now get in our own way of doing it. Now go do something. Now go deliberately do something. Now call the trend to opposition saying that then do it. Meanwhile, behind the curtain, monkey hand there.
Oh, because of say we.
know about that.
Everybody know.
know about that.
When this government, after they assess the dynamics of the market, they can reduce the pump price from 97 to 87. Who be the people who come and come complain? Now una talk say na political strategy, na to score political points. If the government decide to alleviate the suffering of the people, the condition of the people,
alleviate from 97 to 87.
Yes.
When the price of oil internationally for global market don't slash like more than half. Why they not bring them down? That rate?
Who be the people who keep our economy? Who be the people who keep our economy to the level where we say we can't be only dependent on oil? Nobody say government can't diversify.
Okay, since now don't take over power, what have you done so far? Since now don't take over power, what I don't do?
Diversification of the economy.
No, what I don't do?
Small scale.
What I don't do? Agriculture, now you want to mention. What have we seen in agriculture?
We have saved $2 billion. From the syndicate when they distribute fertilizer.
How is it reflecting in the life of Nigerians?
Nigerians can see.
How is it reflecting in the price of food for market?
We elected a woman being not a magician. After all these years, since 1960 when Nigeria gained independence, our economic policies are the ones when they go speak English because of the
speak English.
It is retrogressive. We know they move forward.
Retrogressive.
Now we don't get person when we say in they see the future.
For 6 years. In they see the future. Now this person when they see the future, when we never see the future, we never even land on that future. We see them back, we they see the future. I go sing song for you. We get Polycarp before you sing any song. Polycarp is calling us from any.
Polycarp, allow me sing this song now.
Polycarp, talk to us.
Hello, Polycarp. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm here.
Good morning, Polycarp.
I better reduce the volume of your television. Maybe you choke for this matter.
Good morning, Chukwode.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp. I better tell him, Kubi. Tell him, now them. Tell him.
Oh,
good morning, Kubi.
Good morning, Oga Poly.
Yeah, welcome back.
Thank you very, very much. I miss you now.
I miss you too.
Thank you. See,
wait, Kubi, wait. I believe that this first test is artificial.
Thank you. 1-0.
Right here in Enugu, there's no place we're having queues. Fuel is in Enugu.
You see,
fuel is in Enugu.
It's in Ebonyi. It's in Ebonyi.
So, I don't know about that, but I know about Enugu. There are no queues in Enugu.
Thank you.
Okay. Maybe tell people, make them stop this kind of...
Tell them.
Don't point at me.
Tell them.
Don't point me.
Please, Ngozi, tell our people, to stop scandalizing our president and his government.
The president should do what is right.
Do which what is right.
The president should do what is right.
Do which what is right. Polycarp just talk and say, no queue for Enugu. Not even...
Why are we now having queue nationwide?
Which nationwide?
Do you know whether Polycarp is trying to cover up Enugu?
How you will say he's trying to cover up?
We never can tell.
So you are accusing Polycarp. You are saying Polycarp is a liar.
So. It's an assumption.
Are you saying Polycarp is a liar?
It's an assumption.
Which assumption? Don't be assuming here. Person come tell you say no queue for Enugu. Why you be say now places like Lagos? Now in these queues they day. Why? No, ask yourself this question. Over 6 years. Now okay, we elect Oga Jonathan for 2011 landslide victory because Nigerians want that.
Before then, 2 years. In the run for 2 years already.
Remember, say in Oga, the person when he be say he be vice president of. Now that man be the man when he say when he step up, he reduce the price of fuel. People shake.
When he come back, what's going to happen?
Make we take Obiora first. I don't maybe I come on my suit. Oga Obiora, good morning.
Oga Obiora, good morning.
Good morning, Wazobia. How are you?
Are they fine?
I help you tell him Kupi.
Tell Chukudi too. Tell Chukudi.
Chukudi today, maybe say tell him Wazobia. Why these two are people myself sometimes when they confuse?
You see,
wait. Now he talk to you.
Problem, because of the fuel scarcity now, PDP that cruise 850, you know they cover.
Artificial scarcity.
PDP they accuse APC. See how?
If PDP neighbors APC cause fuel scarcity, why can't they tackle it as power holder?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Oga Obiora.
And somebody, opposition for that matter, that doesn't have any power. If you feel that you give license to import petroleum is sabotaging, you revoke the license now.
Thank you.
So this thing, I'm not the bag of PDP this time
Thank
around.
You, Oga Obiora.
This is of their false accusation.
2-1.
When they do the right thing, not when they do bad thing, they're going to accuse this one, that accuse this one.
Thank
so
you.
What you right go for these 2 days, I know see, I know they're happy.
Thank you. Oga Obiora. 2-1. You know why it be 2-1? Because the point where Oga Obiora just dropped now, they too heavy.
You don't allow.
He carried 2 points, too strong.
I want to ask Oga Obiora whether.
What do you want to ask her?
Whether Q there for Yola.
What do you want to ask her?
And I never sure say Q there for Yola.
Oga Obiora don't talk.
Why he be saying that? Oh, you see.
PDP people. And the Oga Obiora, oh no. Now first time say if he come, he go support your side. But in this case, Oga Obiora talk through like a true Nigerian.
Make we take
that wants change.
Ifeanyi dey call us from our papa. Oga Ifeanyi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Ifeanyi.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes.
Oga Ifeanyi, I bet Chukma for this matter. I don't say he go talk true.
How na dey?
We dey fine.
What I want to say, this scarcity of fuel no be original scarcity.
Thank you very much. Can you see?
Now this time of Jonathan, I'm the only time we say, like me now that travel during December time. If you want to travel December time, you enter police station, go buy fuel. No queue.
Thank you.
And fuel no add money during December time.
Oh.
So for 4 years now, if you want to travel December time, you just enter police station, buy fuel at normal price. So this time around, they say scarcity of fuel. Let they just leave themselves well. Let they leave themselves well. Now actually, NNPC will bring fuel.
They don't go distribute.
They will not see the fuel. What happened to the fuel?
NNPC.
It could be better talk to your people. When I release that fuel, when I keep
NNPC.
When I release the fuel, when I keep am.
Who they run am?
Oga Ifeanyi, you don't make point.
Thank you,
4-1.
2-2.
4-1. Which 2-2?
2-2.
4-1.
2-2.
Ifeanyi.
See the tone what Oga Ifeanyi
which tone he use?
He talk as
he say make una give una self break.
The tone not even carry weight.
If anything when we use know this government, we don't use fuel scarcity, know this government. Why must we be having an artificial scarcity? People when they supply, no one will supply. Why?
We don't let
it was artificial.
It was artificial.
What is an artificial scarcity?
It was artificial.
Yes.
It was artificial.
People when they supply, no one will supply.
As if now opposition, they stop now from not distributing fuel nationwide.
Oga Obiora been talk say make government collect from people when they supply.
Adi said, Jare. Adi said, good morning. I know say look, Adi said, make your point. Anyway, make I don't talk. Oga Adi said, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Oga Adi said.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Adi said.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Chukudi.
Good morning. Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning.
As I don't see you last time, I think maybe as our government no bad now. Maybe then your people then
No.
You don't see him. Freedom of expression, I government they allow. Freedom of expression.
Unkubi.
Yes.
That's for where you they talk so. Now bad thing you they talk so.
Thank you. Tell her.
Say what thing?
It was 1983 where our ex where that general D. Like I tell you that statement we make so you go jail for him. But we support for Ogaju now we don't put us for better standards. See, you fit talk anything you like, now you get your mouth.
Yeah.
So you see that for a matter, me I see say monkey and they inside soup.
Monkey hand.
Thank you. Excuse me, let him talk. Continue.
Me, I see monkey and inside that thing. Because if monkey and no day, imagine our government now. Government we don't deserve us, they come. They come on stop and today. They come on kill the man government now.
Thank you.
Now for they say they go pass, but they not go succeed.
They're not going to succeed.
They're not going to succeed. Ogachukwu, God bless you.
Thank you very much. God bless you too.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you very much.
Why you dey thank him?
No. For at least choking mouth inside this matter.
To tell you say your people will no want to supply. Make una supply.
But that no mean say I go agree totally with Oga.
Why you not go agree? Why you not go agree?
Monkey hand there. You don't carry out investigation. No, whether the monkey hand do there, whether not from them. Because they always have a way of doing it. Bringing the monkey hand inside them, go behind cousin, go there and say, look,
you don't carry out your information to know, say 688 million liters. NNPC don't use that.
Japheth is calling us from Kano. Good morning,
How can we have 688 million liters and yet fuel no day?
Japheth, good morning.
Monkey hand, monkey hand.
You see him?
Now na monkey hand.
Your own monkey hand.
Now na monkey hand.
And now the long pass.
Now na monkey hand.
It's a long pass.
Now na monkey hand.
Because now they in power. That's why they longer.
688 million liters. Yet we no see fuel.
Why we not see them?
Because of the artificial scarcity. Who be the people when they do?
Nationwide crisis.
Polycarp call us for many good talks.
Nationwide crisis.
Nobody know fuel scarcity with this government. People when they travel for December, you go enter inside filling station, you go buy fuel. No queue at all. Now we call it get artificial scarcity. Who be the people they do? Now una suppliers.
Una. We are all suppliers. People where you know about.
688 million liters. 688 million liters. Now NNPC don't release. Yet we know they see fuel. The distributors, the suppliers.
Umaru. I know you're a man of trust.
Stop whining. No, they whine Umaru. No, they whine Umaru. Umaru they call us from Kano.
Umaru, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Okudi.
Good morning.
Now God bless you there.
Oh, Umaru, bless you too. Thank you.
If we not get somebody like you, we not go get somebody who will speak for us.
Thank you, Umaru. Thank you.
Yeah, I hear you, Umaru.
The failure of this present government, now they show himself.
Oh no,
yes,
come on, you can't say that.
No, don't tell him he can't say that. Let him talk.
This government where you see now failure from beginning to the end.
Thank you.
As they know themselves, the way that they punish us with fuel from the past 6 years, now we see they suffer until now.
Thank
they
you,
cannot hide. Chukudi, open your eyes.
Shine your eyes.
How you take come to this station today?
Oga Umaru, you see?
Oga Umaru, thank you very much. You don't drop your point, and your point carry 5 points. Now me go that 1 point this time around. 5 points. In fact, now 10-5.
Close your mouth and listen to me. Light in no day. Where we go fit watch this television? Now, fuel, where would they buy? They put for generator, where would they take what Wazobia? They fuel again, no day. How your business go if you don't talk through?
Oga Umaru, thank you. We know the people where they do.
Who are the people? Don't put...
Make I end my talk where at the end. Anybody where vote Jonathan, he go put us for darkness.
Oga Umaru.
If you want...
Oga Umaru, thank you. In fact, Chukudi,
No. Oga
Umaru, bless Allah, God, bless you where you did.
Oh, with what you talk at the end.
Bless you.
They go carry you.
This your talk carry 5 points.
They go soon carry you.
Solid one, way strong.
They go soon carry you.
They go carry you.
He talk, you they talk.
Your eyes they open, they will carry you.
He talk, you they talk. Unkubi.
Prince is calling us from Kaduna. Good morning, Prince.
Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Prince.
You know, say Chukudi, they always talk the gospel truth.
Thank you very much.
Like, you understand?
Thank you very much.
Forget about Unkubi.
Why you forget about me?
So
why you gonna forget about me?
No. See, Unkubi, you said you know the truth. See,
what? Okay.
You don't forget, say, for this country, you get intelligent Nigerians, so they say, they see what thing they go on.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
Most of the things we say they see they happen now because of this election. I will not see with the same say somehow, monkey and then Hesu.
Thank you.
Monkey and where if he come from there?
You see, it is surprising me people they talk say they see waiting government. It is surprising. It is written everywhere. See as much as we do for not. See what you do for education sector. So what you do for power sector.
Thank you.
Power sector. You mentioned power sector from your own Prince.
Allow the man talk now.
Make I see. Who could be waste my say something? You see that power sector of the carry politics. It is clean and clear.
Thank you.
So that to prove this government to see say, so that we could see say nothing what the government do. Even this scarcity of the thing, we all know. We just the pray maybe say come March 28th. By God's grace, then we elect our president for us, so that he will continue waiting on
transformation
agenda must go on. Come March 28th, by God's grace.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Power sector, you don't talk before Oga do not come into power. We know the strength of power sector that time. Now, with all the privatization thing we don't see, it don't increase, it don't further
how
go down.
How many years it take government to privatize? How many years it take government to privatize?
Where it takes meters.
How many years it take government to privatize? People where they politicize the privatization. All the same government, now they privatize.
For the past 2 weeks, I never think I see light from my area.
Which area you they stay? You they stay between Cameroon. You they stay between Cameroon and Nigeria. You they talk where you dey? You they stay between Cameroon and Nigeria. So you they see light. Make we take Yaduni. Yaduni they call us from Osun State.
Good morning, Yaduni. Good morning.
You don't pursue him now.
Take pursue him.
You say for your area, you never see life for two. Stay, talk through.
You know whether they take light. You know whether they don't take light for our own area. When they make the phone call.
The light now affect the network.
You see,
Nigeria
under whose government?
The light affect network.
Under whose government? You could answer that one.
Who could be? Use your hand, touch ground, put for mouth, raise them up, say 2 weeks, we never see light.
Chukudi, if nobody say the ground is far from me now, I for touch this ground for you now. Oh. Raise them up, say, I never see light for the past 2 weeks.
Okay, use the iron when they're on top of your phone. Make you see what you go happen to you right now.
I be, why was me I swear by, okay, me I not even mention.
You see,
No, because there are things I believe in.
You for talk the name, make you see what you go happen to you now.
Ogun.
You can't lie, say you never get life for 2 weeks. You didn't pay.
I did tell you I never get life for the past 2 weeks.
Wait, okay, what if you prepared meter or
don't they ask me that question?
You see,
why could they ask me that question?
When you live for Agbole, they connect wire from the small government and work. They come on. The prepared meter.
We get meter for our house.
Which meter? Which house?
We get meter for our house.
Which house?
And I pay my money monthly.
Which monthly?
I pay my NEPA due monthly.
You see,
but again,
not be prepared
for the past 2 weeks, I never get light. So what are we saying, Paul?
You live between
Paul, I beg, answer to this.
Between Cameroon
Paul is calling us from Nasarawa
and Nigeria.
Good morning, Paul.
I want to take this and thank God for helping me to put my mouth for this matter today.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oga Paul, you are an apostle. I beg Chukma for this matter.
What I want to say is what thing they happen for this country. I know that you people know, say there was no time that good things ever happen in this country as it happened in the time of our president.
If you go waiting.
And I want to now to know that if we play Miss Jonah come 28 of this month, in fact, I don't think we'll get another president.
Oga Paul, make I ask you a question. You say for the run for Nasarawa.
You say what is?
For the run for Nasarawa.
Even in my village, steady to God.
No, at the moment as we speak.
Yeah, listen to that, make him talk.
To God, even for my village. Forward they run.
Thank you. Nasarawa Enugu. You see him?
Everywhere forward they.
Thank you.
And this is an opposition state, too.
Artificial scarcity.
Opposition state. Wait now. Opposition state. After that, you go talk no opposition. This is an opposition state.
You call opposition.
You know jail at all.
You call opposition state. You call opposition state now. No. Because who are they Nasarawa?
Yes.
As you know the Lagos, you don't agree now.
No, wait.
You don't agree.
No, of course. It's not.
Nedo, they call us from Lokoja.
Nedo, good morning.
Okay.
Good morning.
Yes.
Nedu,
Yeah,
abeg, before you talk, abeg, Fuede Lokoja Kogi.
Good morning.
Good
How
morning.
is it now?
Abeg, Fuede Kogi, abi you know dey.
It could be Mr. The problem, like the first caller. I think the first caller said the other time. I don't buy the idea because me, I think so. Woman will suffer for fuel seriously.
Thank you very much.
We are suffering for fuel.
Thank you very much.
As of yesterday, I bought fuel at the rate of 130 naira.
Imagine.
Can you see?
Serious.
Imagine.
Serious.
Can you see? The suppliers.
Kogi is a PDP state for your information.
So that last call I wake up on Lokoja, I don't know, maybe you know the go police station.
Thank
why
you.
it's something like that. Because,
Thank you.
So you can imagine. So if small thing happen, they will say APC. If PDP made a mistake, they will say now PDP and now APC. So that problem, I don't know why they don't want to adopt to their mistake.
Thank you.
Any small mistake, they'll say APC. Why are they lying to APC?
Thank you. Tell him. Look at him there.
And if you get to address the issue, address us, they are now referring to APC and their listing, which is wrong.
Thank you.
Well,
thank you.
The government is not favorable to us.
Thank you, Ledu. Thank you. In fact, you don't talk. You don't talk. You talk. Paul. I mean, Chukudi.
Oh, you see
Chukudi.
You see him?
Chukudi, listen to me. Listen to me.
What is the crux of this matter?
Don't talk.
Distribution.
For PDP state.
Distribution.
PDP state.
Kogi
is a PDP state. But no fuel for Kogi.
Million liters.
You want
yes, we
to
say fuel.
No opposition they stop now. From not having fuel in Kogi.
Make we take Adetayo. Adetayo they call us from Ota. Adetayo, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Nkubi.
Yes, good morning.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Well, this topic that they talk, they get a video.
Thank you. I don't say you go
talk. They working at the inside. Truly. Hello?
Yes, right on.
Will they hear me, so?
Yeah, will they hear you? Continue.
Okay. What happen, we say, why PDP go, they say now APC and pay for fuel?
Oh.
Because of the distributors. Because of the suppliers.
Because of the distributors. And because of saying my own monkey hand there inside. Which one?
Hello, Shukudi.
I dey hear you.
Shukudi.
I dey hear you.
You tell me, say, when anything where they happen for you, then the way go wrong. Now, I'm not they cut him.
Ask Nkubi.
Ask him. Now he ask.
Ask Nkubi.
Government. Not have been all this state very well. Not have been all this country very well. Anything will go wrong. Now other party they happen now. So now last we know they have. Now APC they cut out.
Oh.
Election come and go. Do not have peace. Anything that needs to fix so that they can have peace in this country. God bless you too.
Thank you very much. Oga Adetayo, thank you very much.
Oga Tayo ask one important question.
Say wetin.
I won't come tell am say he get the people wey Yoruba people dey call Anwaye. Anwaye na people wey be say they do person. They follow person.
Chukunna.
It's possible.
Chukunna. Who are these Anwaye?
Thank you. In this fuel situation,
in
this artificial scarcity situation,
Anwaye fit be in-house among una.
Thank you. We know them.
In-house among una.
Now, somebody be talk
in-house among una.
Make government. Thank God. Another person they call us from Enugu.
No.
You want they call us from Enugu?
What did I talk?
No. Make we take
Udo they call us from Enugu.
Hello, good morning.
Udo, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. They hear you, Oga Udo.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Nkubi. Good morning,
sir. Right on.
I want to put him out for the matter where
yes,
where
continue.
they grow. Hello?
Yes,
continue.
For Enugu here, fuel there.
Thank you.
Okay.
2 people.
Be careful for Enugu fuel there.
Okay.
We even they buy 87 naira.
You see, I'm.
So our good Lord, our president, they try.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So I don't know. Waiting you people want. I don't know waiting could be one.
No. Not be me. Not be me.
No, you. Because you don't value good thing at all. You don't value good thing. You need change.
Thank you.
Change where you never know how the change will be.
Thank you very much.
But we need change.
Hello?
Yeah, right on with the air.
Oga Udo sef, na over happiness they want here.
Over happiness.
The way when they talk, they talk like person when we say he don't take pepper soup, he don't belly full. No problem. And now because of the government of good luck, like Jonathan, 2 people don't come from Enugu now. Polycarp.
From see. They do
Polycarp.
No, they come from Lokoja. And for your information, Lokoja will be Kogi State. Na PDP state too.
There is fuel in Nasarawa.
Na PDP
there
state
is fuel in Lokoja. There is fuel in Kano. There is fuel in
Sadiq.
Everywhere.
Sadiq is calling us from Zaria. Good morning, Sadiq.
Can you hear me?
Good morning.
Good morning, Wazobia.
Yes. Okay, Sadiq, how you doing?
How are you today?
Fine, oh.
Okay, Sadiq, I beg fuel there for your area.
I don't know what your colleague is saying by your side, though.
You see, tell him.
Wait.
Now you in the talk.
Wait.
Your PDP colleague, I don't know what he's saying, though.
You see, thank you.
You know what now you talk to?
Now you in the talk to. He dey say no know wetin you dey talk. Say how you go talk say fuel no dey.
Hello?
Yes, I hear you.
I'm here in Kaduna, and I can tell you that I'm here in Zaria. If I go out of my area, you see long queues of cars.
Oh, because of the distributors and the suppliers.
Why?
Because of the distributors and the suppliers. Who could be people? Who could be people?
Yeah, oh God. Say long queue there for.
Hello?
Right on.
If you say it's because of distribution, let me tell you, PDP are the governance, they are the one governing Kaduna State.
Yeah?
It's a PDP governor. So don't say anything about distribution. And when you talk about distribution, let me say, I'm watching you now, but I'm using a gen. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm using a gen to watch. So people can say, it's this thing, they are just trying to dispute everything to the APC effect. The APC has done nothing wrong. They are just here for change, and people are just, I don't know, what is wrong?
Very wrong, bro. Tell him, very wrong.
No, why you gonna take?
You know you what he
Why you gonna claim what another person is talking about?
He talks, say, una they shout change.
Chikudi,
Say,
he said he come for Zaria. Say long queue there.
Which queue?
He said change. He wants change.
He said he change when we talk about.
Change. No claim what you don't know.
Una be conductor, una they carry, una they shout change. Una be conductor, una they shout change.
Change what you mean? No, but not change.
Transformation. Transformation.
Kaka change. Let the government change. Oh. Let us see good governance.
See what?
Let us see good government.
Artificial
Let
scarcity.
us see development.
Artificial scarcity when una don't start.
When I don't cost. When I get
125 imaginary schools when we build.
Where una get hands
9 federal universities when we build.
Structural development or
diversification
or
of the economy
development.
when we do.
No, they give me structural development. No, they give me the structure. They give me the shell, the content, not the shell.
Our people when they house, we go rush, go break. When we go this way, come back, we go enter the final stretch.
The final.
62 people when everybody don't call, don't talk and say.
In fact,
this scarcity now artificial scarcity.
Artificial where?
When we go, come back, we'll continue.
When we say every point they come from our own angle, they carry 5 points, strong one.
Polycarp.
Yes.
From Enugu.
Akoko.
Udo from Enugu. Nasarawa,
okay.
Prince from Kaduna. Fatai from Ogun State. Yemi from
in fact, this is how you people rig election.
Chinedu from Anambra.
How you rig election.
Jennifer from Kogi.
This is how you rig
Everybody
election.
don't call, don't talk.
This is how you people rig election.
Everybody don't call, don't talk. 688 million liters.
Chikudi, happy hand. Leave that thing alone.
Leave which thing alone?
Leave that thing alone.
Make we go the break. No, we know they leave anything alone. Una go talk the truth. Una Welcome back to our City Hot, the Ogbonge politics discussion show on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Ezuku Chukudi Anunku be there inside studio and with the chook mouth on top of this fuel scarcity matter. All our people when don't call, don't talk and say
no
this
talk
is
say all of our
scarcity.
people. Wait, no talk say all of our people.
Who
Now, that
talk?
one will make me vex.
Polycarp.
No talk say all
Prince.
of our people. No.
Yeah, me see.
I don't want to take that one from
Fatai.
you. No, you see.
Chinedu.
If
Ugonna,
now people, if
Oscar,
now people they rig
Fidelis,
election, no, not rig
Felix,
election. You cannot read
Jamal,
this result in my
Kamal,
own front.
Sadiq.
It will not happen because
Taufik.
if also we go remove cloth here now. We go do it the way you don't expect.
You see, everybody know who you be. You want to remove cloths. You want to remove cloths.
Chukudi.
You go remove cloths.
Chukudi, how many times I call you? 4 times.
You go remove cloths.
4 times.
Now 3 times you call
4
me.
times.
Now 3 times you
4
call
times.
me. You see,
Hey, what's wrong with you? I don't know my black now. What's wrong with you?
No, come, no, they follow me speak Igbo. You know, excuse me, no, they follow me, they speak Igbo. No be village meeting with them.
So why am I going to speak Igbo?
Why you going to follow me?
Why am I going to speak Igbo?
Why you going to follow me speak Igbo?
What's wrong with you? If you waiting,
you go see yourself. Go see yourself.
Suleiman is calling us from Abuja. Good morning, Suleiman.
Yes, good morning, my
yes.
fellows. Oga Nkubi, I salute you.
You see,
Wait.
How you doing, Oga Nkubi?
I dey fine, Jare.
How is everything?
Fine.
I beg.
Right on.
Oh, you don't see him.
I talk to you, self. Never don't already take life now.
Imagine. No, right on. We hear you continue.
I for no hear what you talk.
We hear continue.
See, this NEPA, this power, this electricity. Oh boy, I didn't even confuse it because this NEPA.
No, the first scarcity.
This first scarcity issue. Yeah, let's say it's artificial, but now who caused them?
Thank you.
Wait, it is artificial.
Very important question.
But now who caused them?
Answer that. Wait, answer that. You must answer that.
Tell them.
Thank you. Tell them.
They don't create confusion for people's mind. They don't create confusion for people's mind. Then they'll come out.
Oh, you see how?
But now PDP. See, Chikubi.
Are they you? Now you the same side.
Go change yourself. Go rebrand yourself now. Free advice.
Chukudi, go rebrand yourself.
You see him?
Chukudi, go rebrand yourself. That's what Suleiman is saying.
Oh, that's Suleiman. Wait till they talk. Oh, you don't hear that?
Hey!
You don't see him?
You see him? You won't put confusion for Suleiman head.
Which confusion?
But God don't give you to.
Which confusion?
You said get here.
Which confusion?
I heard him clearly. Suleiman said, go and rebrand yourself.
Artificial.
And for that reason, we will just collect this favor. Because I know that this favor will give us favor from Imo State. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Favor.
Good morning. I enjoy this solar stuff, fast food.
Thank you very much.
Is about this so-called fuel scarcity.
So-called, thank you, so-called.
It depends me how federal government go come to blame people saying that then they cost them.
Thank you.
No, somehow.
No.
Somehow.
Will you allow him talk?
Wait, relax, cool down.
Thank you.
See, if person will see a person with outside, they can't spot something with the inside. And you with the inside don't fit do anything. Okay, imagine that. I think they don't blame the guy for something will happen for that case. They want to make the gap own responsibility, make the gap owner making claim I'm saying I'm fault. Why they no fee take this responsibility of this one? They can't blame opposition. If you know saying that opposition they spoil your job, why not go after them? That means you are no man alone.
Oh, you
Thank you very much.
You are not doing what you're supposed to do. You know they do what you're supposed to do.
You have done favor to this subject.
There's no point shifting blame. There's no point shifting blame. Just be a man. Claim responsibility. Now you there in charge. The power there in your hand to hire, to fire. Somebody from outside wants spoil waiting you arrange. You there they follow and they make with a pity for you. Pity for you for waiting. This is no time for pity, my brother. We want people who go stand by their word. If you say this, do it. Mark word with action.
Say it will bother enough to say these are the people.
No for this now opposition they
thank you.
In fact, they agree that kind of thing.
I will double that your name.
This one na failure. That one na F. If anything like F10, that one na F10. Don't just do this. Don't just say things like that for crying out loud.
Okay, Favor. In fact, this is your name, eh? I go triple am. He say he get way say the triple favor. In fact, that's even short. You go the favor come your side.
Unkubi.
You've done favor to this subject.
Unkubi.
There is no point talking about it. Chukudi. In fact, your leg is dingling.
No, you see say my leg is shaking.
Your leg is dingling. Your leg is shaking.
Now vex when in my body, oh, now vex, so.
Now Favor will talk.
Make we take Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. I better reduce the volume of your television.
Okay, I don't reduce them. I did greet 12 for this morning, eh?
Right on.
Okay, I don't reduce them. I did greet 12 for this morning, eh?
Continue.
Una, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I want to come out inside this matter when I discuss now this morning. Concerning the PDP and the APC.
Okay.
We know that for Nigeria now, the people within in power are PDP. Mm-hmm. So if anything they go wrong, I think they will be holding the PDP responsible for anything that is going wrong. Because it's not possible that Papa go there out, then they blame children.
Oh, Chukudi,
now you they ask.
Tell him.
But seriously,
wait, hold on.
I know they support either the PDP or the APC.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much, Emmanuel.
Because I want to tell you that the both side, nobody good.
Now who could be you see them.
So if
now you see you not talk am. You see you not talk am.
Emmanuel don't talk am.
You know the meaning of Emmanuel. You know the meaning of Emmanuel.
Of course.
You know the meaning of Emmanuel.
God is with us.
Thank you very much.
God is with us.
I like as he talk
God is with us. I want
distributors.
Us. The people of change. God is with us.
Distributors.
Chukudi, in fact, there's no point stressing on this issue.
You are a distributor. Talk true. Tell Nigerians.
We have, in fact, Nigerians, more than half. In fact, 75% of people will call. Talk, say, look, government, when they talk, say, now opposition, why they don't find solution to them? Chukudi, answer to that.
688 million liters where NNPC don't release. Why your distributors?
Why they never go for that? Why they never go for the people where they're responsible for the distribution?
Because
you not get authentic reason or fact to prove saying opposition.
Oga Jonah is not a dictator.
Imagine.
He is not a dictator.
Imagine.
Our people went there for us. We always talk and say Nigeria and our country, no go spoil. We understand, say this artificial scarcity. Somehow, when we say these people don't do, it they affect all of us. But as people, when we say we love this our country, we go see they believe, they try all our best to see say this country better. Remember, March 28th, April 11th, if you never collect your PVC, go collect them. Come out, exercise your civic duty as a citizen of Nigeria. And remember, say on top of Wazobia TV and on top of Asiriot, we always they pledge peace. Until we come back again tomorrow with another outgoing topic to discuss them. My name is Ezugu Chukudi. Who could be telling bye bye?
Chukudi, I know. See, Nigeria, no bye bye. In fact, I go prove to Nigeria. Say, fine, no day. So in fact.